Hey, what's up, Sami here. Today, I'm going to present to you something that's very different from my normal electronic gadgets reviews. It is the Speediance Gym Monster. The claim it is a full-body strength training equipment powered by AI. What is that? Let's take a close look. Alright, starting with the design. We have two wheels at the bottom, so you can move it from place to place easily. Moving up is the deck. It's where you stand mostly when you're doing different exercises. There are two knuckles on the frame, so you can adjust them to different heights according to your needs. Now to the core part of this machine, the giant 21.5-inch 1080p HD touchscreen. This is what AI is all about that we mentioned at the beginning. I'll do a detailed walkthrough in a second, so stay tuned for that. By the way, it supports 90-degree rotation, so you can still view the screen when you're lying at the bench while doing training. Speaking of training, let's power this thing up and give it a try. We first press the lock button to unlock the deck and lay it down, then lock it tightly with two extra buckles. Now to what's inside the display. On the homepage, it has a workout, template, free lift, program, and movement choices for you to choose from. Workout is generally for the workout. It offers various pieces of training. Recommend is based on your personal information. You can also find again strength, cardio, sport-specific address under that. The template is for you to create new training plans that you want specifically, and next time you just click in the templates to start training. Well, free lift is just a free lift. Just like free training on your smartwatch, there is partner mode here. You can set different parameters for each separately and then start your training. It's always good to have someone suffer the same pain as you, isn't it? In the program category, you can choose the items that last for different times like 2 weeks or 5 weeks. Then they will have schedules for each week and you can just join the plan. The best part is you can sync the plan to your mobile phone, so you can get notifications on the day when you need to train. And speaking of the phone app, it's basically the mini version of what it has featured on the machine display. It's good as you might want to check the training report on the go or as a reminder. That's basically the key features of this display. It's comprehensive and, to be honest, a little bit overwhelming for me as it offers nearly all kinds of training for all the parts of your body, both for beginners and pros. One good thing I noticed is if you are new to fitness training and you're unaware of your muscle strength, you can do a strength test first for each part like chest, shoulder, back, etc. You can put in your height and weight and then start a test. I gotta warn you though, it has lots of sets for each test. After all, the purpose of the strength test is to know your muscle limit, so later they can recommend the right training you need. Now, the most important thing is the workouts review. First of all, the Gym Monster is a fun piece of equipment. Though it doesn't offer any kind of gaming training that I've seen on other machines, I can still have a good time with it. It's compatible with numerous accessories, so you can always choose whichever one you want to work out. Like you can quickly switch to the ski handles if you want. Horses will have to really go outside to the ski court to enjoy skiing. I can do that at home, and it costs much less. By the way, the arms come with a quick release design, so you can easily switch to other accessories in seconds. Also, they come with a Bluetooth controller. You can add a reduced weight and stop the training with it. Now you are ready to go. I also tried another fun program, the aerobic rowing. It's like you are rowing on a boat. I like it because it gives my legs and arms good training at the same time. There are many other fun programs as well. I will just leave it to you to explore more if you have a chance. For those who are new to fitness training, you don't have to worry. For each training program, there's a very detailed step-by-step tutorial shown to you, so you just follow it and you will know how to do that properly. Another thing I have to mention is that Speediance is compatible with Apple Watch. You can open the app on your watch and connect to the machine, or data will be synced to your watch after you finish your training. This is great as you probably use the watch to record your daily activities and don't want to check this training data in this device and that in another place. It's all in your watch. To conclude, just to keep this video short, 3 things I really like about the Speediance Gym Monster. First is its maneuverability. As a piece of fitness equipment, it's robust and well built, but at the same time, it's easy to move from place to place because of the wheels at the bottom. You can always put it in a corner when you finish training, and that's the second thing I like. It's compact and barely takes up any space. unlike traditional fitness equipment, in order to do this training program, you have to use this machine, then others for other parts. But here, you just use one machine to do all. All you need is just switch to some other accessories. Third level course is what's inside the brain. It offers a crazy amount of professional fitness training tutorials, so you can save lots of membership fees compared to a traditional gym, which in the end, the gym might abscond with your hard-earned money. Don't ask me how I know it, because I got scammed once. That's the video. Wow, what a day. And I think it's a fun equipment for your strength training. And if you are interested in this product, please check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and Sami will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.